gamay ko mag-storya kay gusto ko na akong tingog kay gamay maulaw ko. Guys, dito na kami! Grabe yung pressure ng hangin.
Salamat sa mga kasabayan.
Salamat kasi ang mga kasabayan. So, kita ko yung vlog sa UA kung asan yung Chinese, asan yung British. Ngayon, makikita ko sa inyo asan yung mga Indians. Going up down there. We're going up down there. Nasa yung ibate.
Yeah. 30-minute ride. So we expect you have a
Kaso 8 dirhams.
Slush one.
Oh, ito lang.
Slush word.
Tambay ka, tamang tambay ka lang dito. Tapos, mangisda ka, diretso. Yan o. Dagko pagod kayo. Lalaki. Okay, this is the rainfall now. Okay, just in case.
What is this?
Yung food nila, ito yung food and they have
Food.
ice cream.
Food tip. If you cannot pronounce the name of ice cream, it's expensive. Espresso quart.
Ay, ganon. Welcome to Rainfall. Galing na kami doon kanina. Sumakay na kami ng boat. We're just exploring the surrounding. We are still in Rainfall. We're going in the middle of the falls in the bridge and we're heading back to Zurich Harbor, the main station. And we are going up to Lucerne as well. We'll explore the city and then let's check kung pwede kaming makapag-hike kahit medyo mababa lang, hindi yung super taas. And yeah. Guys! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Sorry. This is so overwhelming. Thank you, Lord, for giving us a good day today. We are going back to Zurich Harbor.
Nakilap-lap pinagkita.
Ayan, saktong natapos kami nag-tour. Sobrang init kanina, tapos biglang umulan. Diba? Ganun ka-powerful yung weather dere. Unpredictable ba? Kain tayo ng lunch. Let's go to Co-op to go. Favorite. Welcome to Luzerne. We are now here. So we're going out. Tingnan nyo naman, super dami-daming tao. Ayan. Eto lang naman ang tao dito sa Switzerland, sa Luzerne, where the old bridge, the wooden bridge is located. Super full ng mga tao. We're going up. Hello, we are here in Luzerne para makita namin yung buong city. We are in the lighthouse or clock tower.
It's not lighthouse.
Clock tower.
No,
Where?
it's tower.
Okay, it's only tower. So, akyat kami dito sa taas. Oh. Ano yan? Mount Rigi?
No, I think that's ano Matrigi ito? Lagos?
You know, this hotel up there. Yan yung, I think, 13,000 per night if I'm not mistaken. It's in the middle of nowhere.
Gabi mo.
Kini siya nga wall. Muna yung mong gibaklay. Hello! Pangatlong tower na namin to. Nandito pa rin kami sa Luzerne. Pupunta na kami sa Manlehorn. Ang tagal ah. Ang layo at dami na namin yung puntahan. Pawis na, pawis ka.
Punta pa tayo ng layon malamit.
It's cold. It's
Punta tayo ng layon malamit kasi gusto mo kaway yan.
okay. Tingnan natin kung pagkasyahin sa oras, kasya sa oras. Ayan yung view oh. Yan.
Camel oh.
Nasaan ang llama? Wala yun ko ano.
Camel.
Wala yun kay kuya ano sa mga animals.
That's basic knowledge.
Yeah, I know. Wala may TV. Good sa una ko. Bisahon taman.
You have internet now. How do you not know?
No, it's too late.
Not too late. It's only in your mind.
Yeah. There is no such thing as light. It's all in your mind.
Is there lion in Switzerland? There's no lion here.
Really?
Yeah, only
Then-
the monument.
Nga nung na may monument kung wala.
I don't know. Kamote.
Can I do coffee and chocolate?
Thank you.
Kape, matcha, and black sesame.
Where are you now?
I'm in Lion Monument in Luzerne.
Where's the lion?
Here. Actually, there's no lion here, but
Show me.
you know, as Swiss Guard was being killed, that's why they have built this. May sila.
Oh, there's the lion. Gusto day ko ba? Magsuri day ko. Hindi ko alam, ikaw may nagkuha niyan.
Kain tayo ng blueberry. Natikman ko na siya. Iba yung lasa. Parang may aftertaste. Tingnan mo. Biglang init. Tapos nawala yung init. May aftertaste siya. Pero mabango. Basta iba yung lasa. Nakakain ako ng iba't ibang blueberry sa UAE. Pero kakaiba talaga yung lasa. There's something different. But I cannot explain. Basta yung smell niya mabango. Mount Titlis, and this is Luzerne Lake, and that is, I forgot. And then somewhere there is Mount Rigi, and massaging my feet. Grabe. 20,000 steps today. Let's get the plaza, mini plaza. Wow! Tambok naman na kayo, oy!
Faster. Faster. Hindi ka po